Men especially, you need to know this. Kindness is actually an expression of strength. Unkindness is weakness. Unkindness is weakness. It means you can't bridle yourself. You can't tame your tongue. You can't control yourself. Unkindness is evidence of weakness. Unkindness indicates that you can't control yourself. And I've given you this definition before. Do you know what kindness is? Kindness is simply loaning someone your strength rather than reminding them of their weakness. Kindness is, I'm going to lean in your direction. I'm not going to remind you, oh, you did that again. Oh, you always do that. It's like, how many times have we talked about this? I mean, look at this room. Kindness is not constantly reminding someone of their weakness. Kindness is loaning them your strength. It's doing for others. I mean, this is what God did for you. It's doing for others what they cannot in the moment do for themselves. Kindness is love's response to weakness. It's what God did for you. So here's a question. And this is a big deal. What is your go-to response to weakness? What is your go-to response to weakness in other people? If you're dating someone, you need to pay close attention to this. You need to pay close attention to their go-to response to weakness in others. Because if they're pursuing you, they're on their best behavior with you. But their response to weakness in others will eventually be their response to the weakness in you. And just a little heads up, people who use kindness as a means to an end are often mean in the end. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you check out the links on your screen for what to watch next, and check out the description below, where we are going to provide you with free resources designed to help you make better decisions and live with fewer regrets. And again, thanks for watching.